Good afternoon friends, this is Parag Desai. Now we are unboxing the Tech water ionizer. Sediment filter bowl. Okay, this is the sediment filter. Okay, these are the pipes. Blue pipe is for the alkaline output and the white pipe is for the input. Okay, and UF membrane and activated carbon filter.
This is UF membrane. This is activated carbon filter.
Okay. This is the inlet valve. Okay. And all the other installation accessories. Okay. This is the remote control of our Tech water ionizer, because our Tech water ionizer does not have any switches on the ionizer at all. This is the power supply which will be external. Alright. This is the spanner to open the bowl. Okay. And now we bring out the cat out of the bag. This is the ionizer which is completely wrapped and packed. And this is the look of our product, the Tech water ionizer. This is a 7 plate. This is Tech Pro Max, right? Pro 7 Max. Pro 7. Alright, this is how it looks. उसको पीछे घुमाना please. This is the back view. Alright, and this is the side view. And where is the serial number, sir? And this would be the serial number of the product. Okay. Thank you. आज हम हमारा Tech का वाटर आयोनाइज़र यहाँ पे इंस्टॉल करने आए हैं. आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पहले से ही एक एक्वा गार्ड लगा हुआ है. जैसे कि आप लोग जानते हैं कि हमारे मशीन को आरओ की ज़रूरत नहीं है, तो थोड़ी देर में यहाँ से हट जाएगा और हमारा Tech का वाटर आयोनाइज़र यहाँ पे इंस्टॉल हो जाएगा. नाउ वी आर डी इंस्टॉलिंग द एक्वागार्ड.
ऊपर चढ़ जा.
और ये हमारा यहाँ से जो एक्वागार्ड था वो हम लोग ने हटा दिया है. What are we opening? This will be used for what?
Pre-filtration.
Pre-filtration bowl. Okay. The aqua guard which was here has been removed, and now we are going to install our Tech water ionizer. Can you just remove that once again and see what is this?
PP filter.
Okay.
0.5 micron PP filter.
0.5 micron PP filter.
Yeah.
Okay. And that's the gasket. And we close the lid. Now we are installing the PP filter. Okay, this has been installed. Thank you. Now we are installing the Tech water ionizer. And there you are. It has been installed. So this is how it looks right now without any piping.
अभी चालू कर देंगे.
We are connecting the input. This is how it is connected. So that's the input pipe which is connected now. This is the UF membrane and the activated carbon filter, and we are flushing the filter first before the installation. So ये activated carbon filter flush हो रहा है और उसके बाद में यहाँ पे ये ऊपर लग जाएगा. Okay.
लगा दे. ओके.
अब ये कार्बन मेम्ब्रेन कनेक्ट हो चुका है और जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं हमारे मशीन पे एक भी स्विच या बटन नहीं है. हमारा आयोनाइज़र जो है पूरी तरह से रिमोट पे ऑपरेट होता है. can't see any buttons here. Now we are connecting the alkaline water output pipe. This has been connected. We have already connected the waste water pipe as well, the white pipe that you see along with the blue pipe.
इसको ऊपर रख के
This is the power supply, which will be external and it will be placed above the machine.
हाँ बोल में
और ये पावर सप्लाई भी कनेक्ट हो गया है. Now we are connecting the machine. This is the remote and all the operations are on the remote here. Can you show me the remote? This is the remote and all the controls are from this remote. And this is the display. You can read the display which has come on right now, and we can change the display and the settings with this remote. So we will show you the operations now. So the machine has started functioning. This is the model number P7 Pro. So this is the alkaline water which is now have started to come out, and there you can see the acidic water which is going out. So our system is installed and operational. So this blue pipe can be connected to the pot or maybe some bottle, and you can fill it and use it for drinking. So now we will be testing the different waters that are running out of the machine of the ionizer. So this is our testing kit. So we are preparing for all the tests right now. First we are taking the tap water.
Tap water testing.
We will test the tap water right now first. That's where we have kept the tap water. You can see the display now where it is mentioned the setting has been changed to 8 to 8.5 pH of alkaline water, which is coming out of this blue pipe, and we will be testing that now along with the tap water that we have already collected. So the first tube has got the tap water, and the second tube has got the tube which has got the 8.8 or 8.5 pH of alkaline water. And now we have already changed the settings again to collect 9 or 9.5 pH of water. You can see the meter changing here. There we are collecting the 9 or 9.5 pH of water. The third test tube is of 9 or 9.5 pH of water. Now we are changing the settings again. Now we have changed the settings to 9.5 to 10.5 pH of water. There you can read. Now we are collecting 9.5 to 10.5 pH of water. So the third tube in the center is the 9.5 to 10.5 pH of water. Now we have changed the settings again to 10.5 pH plus of water. There it is. The setting has been changed. And now we are collecting the 10 to 10.5 pH plus water in the bigger test tube. We are collecting the water from the wastewater pipe, which will be of very less pH. So in this test tube we have collected 2.5 to 3 pH of water. So the testing kit has got all sorts of waters right now. This is the pH tester liquid. This is the first tube which was containing the tap water. The second tube which was containing 8 to 8.5 pH of water. The third one 9 to 9 pH of water. The fourth one is 9.5 to 10 pH of water. and it is 10++ water, the fourth one. In the extreme right has got the pH which is lesser than 5, between 2 to 3 pH, 2.5 to 3 pH. So we have shaken the first test tube and it has been showing a light green color. We are now shaking the second test tube. It is showing
light blue
color. The third test tube after shaking shows about a little darker blue color. And the fourth
almost violet,
is almost violet.
light violet.
There you can see the color differences. And after shaking
Dark violet.
the fifth one, we can see the dark violet. The extreme right will show you almost golden color of water. Okay, now can you please explain what it is?
With this water jet you can see the pH value. This is yellow, almost you can say some between 3 to 4 pH water is this.
Okay.
This is natural water, 7 pH, which is collected from tap directly.
Water. Okay.
Yeah. This is 8 to 8.5 pH color, value, which is already matched with 8 to 8.5 in between.
Okay.
This is about 9.5 and 10.
Okay.
This is about 10.5 and 11 between.
Okay.
And this is, you can say, almost 12.
Almost 12 pH.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is the pH color code,
This is the pH
and
color
this
code.
water is completely matched with this code.
Okay. So this is the water matching with the code colors which are available on the machine.
Yeah.
Okay. Interesting. So we can see the micro clustering happening here with the 8 to 8.5 pH of water which is now running out.
No, this is 10 pH water.
Oh, this is 10 pH water. Okay. We are testing this with turmeric right now.
Yeah.
So we have put the turmeric in the normal tap water here. And now in the 10.5 pH of water we have added the turmeric. हल्दी मिलाई है 10.5 pH के पानी में और उसके बगल वाले ग्लास में यहाँ पर नॉर्मल नल के पानी में हल्दी मिलाई थी. आप दोनों में कलर डिफरेंस देख सकते हैं. इसका क्या मतलब होता है सुनील भाई?
ये जो हम लोग जो बोलते हैं कि भाई 6x हाइड्रेशन है अल्कलाइन वाटर का एज कम्पेयर टू नॉर्मल वाटर, सो दिस इज द प्रूफ. अभी इसमें जो हल्दी डाला था वो सब नीचे सेटल हो गया है.
अच्छा.
और पानी ने उसका कलर नहीं खींचा है. इसमें भी नीचे सेटल हुआ है पर उसका पूरा एक्सट्रैक्ट जो है ना
वो पानी
ने खींच लिया.
जो कुरकुमिन जिसको बोलते हैं वो इस ऑरेंज वाले पानी में है, हल्दी का एक्सट्रैक्ट.